Dear students, this is the second part of institutional representation of democracy in civics. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about opposition, different party systems, political parties in India, coalition government. First, we are going to discuss about the opposition. In politics, the opposition comprises one or more political parties that are opposed primarily ideologically to the government. After election, parties that are not a part of the government form the opposition. The opposition plays an important role in a democracy. What are the role of opposition? The main role of opposition is to question the government of the day and hold them accountable. It does not allow the government to become dictatorial. These are all the main role of opposition. Now we are going to discuss about different party system. There are three kinds of party system: single party, two party, multi-party system. What is single party system? Single party system is a type of state in which one political party has the right to form the government, usually based on the existing constitution. This is about a single party system. Example, China. Second one is two-party system. Some countries like Japan and USA have two-party system. After election, one party form the government and the other party form the opposition. The voters have less but clear choice in the two-party system. This is about two-party system. Now we are going to discuss about multi-party system. In countries such as India, Pakistan, Canada and Australia, there are many political parties. That is called multi-party system. In this system, voters have a wide choice and they can choose from several candidates belonging to different parties. So these are all about different party systems like single party system, two party system and multi-party systems. Now we are going to discuss about political parties in India. India has a multi-party system including national and regional political parties. One party is recognized all over India. That party is called National Party. Example, BJP and Indian National Congress. Some political parties that work only at state level, that parties are called regional political parties. Example, BSP in Uttar Pradesh, AIADMK and DMK in Tamil Nadu, LJP and RJD in Bihar. These are about political parties in India. Now we are going to discuss about coalition government. What is coalition government? When one single party does not win majority, two or more parties come together to form a government. That is called coalition government. Coalition government have advantages as well as disadvantages. It takes care of the welfare of a diverse group of people as the various political parties comprising. It represents different sections of the society. So in a coalition government, public opinion of a larger group of people can be voiced strongly. However, coalition government sometimes become weak and indecisive as open conflict of interest among the various member parties occurs. So these are all about coalition government. Dear students, I hope you were all understood about the second part topics like the opposition, different political parties in India, coalition government. Thank you.